Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a FabFitFun summer edition box for you guys. I know I haven't seen you guys in a little bit. I was traveling and uploading my videos from Hawaii, and then I went to St. Martin, which was so much fun, and I have those videos that I'm going to upload later on. But I've been very stressed out and I have a lot of things going on, and so I haven't sat down and recorded a video, but I was like, you know what, let's do it today. So this is all the crap from the box that I took out because I recorded this video. Sorry, it's pouring rain. It's like a thunderstorm happening. So if you hear that, that's the weather.
Well, damn, Jackie, I can't control the weather.
At the same time, I have my High Noon watermelon. High Noons is like vodka and soda. They were like the biggest hit last year. Everyone was so crazy about it. And I think that they're okay. I think they can be better. But I have them, so cheers. Let's open up our FabFitFun summer box. So the reason that I'm recording this video twice is because I knew nothing. I knew no prices. I didn't even remember what I got. This box has been chilling here in my room for like 5 years. I have all these boxes for my birthdays, and my best friend's getting married, so I have boxes for that. And I'm not gonna go into detail because she watched this video and it's supposed to be a surprise. The one thing she cannot do anything about, because I'm doing it. Anyway, so I pulled it up. Look how easy that is, guys. I pulled it up onto my website. So basically I cheated with this box, I'm not gonna lie. Every other box I just want to be surprised. Basically I just forget to pick the items that I want. So before the box gets sent out, like a few weeks before, there's like a small time frame where you can pick like what you want to be in your box, and that way, you know, you're getting a bang for your buck and you're getting stuff that you like. So this time I actually picked the stuff that I wanted, which is great. And so let's go through it. It is a picnic blanket. So this is a beautiful picnic blanket, so let's open it. So this is what the picnic blanket looks like. It's cute. You can like carry it like this, and it wraps up with Velcro. I like that. Oh, this is nice. All right, so it's a good material. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to put it back together, but it's the thought that counts, guys. I'm just gonna put up a picture. This is what it looks like. Magic. All right. I like the design. I think it's cute. It looks like it's fairly simple to put together. But you know what? Nothing in the world is ever simple for Stephanie Pichardo. So there's that. So this outdoor blanket, which I showed you guys, is $60. Okay, you can get a super cute one on Amazon for $20. I will tag it down below. It doesn't get sand on it, doesn't feel hot, opens up great, folds easily, fits into a bag. This is hard to put back together because it has to be perfect, and then it's like Velcro. And look, I opened it up once, didn't even open up all the way, and I can't even close it. So there's that. Look at that. I'm gonna leave it for my dad. He'll do it for me. The next thing is what I had chosen. It was like a 3-piece thing because I love ice. Ice is my life. For my birthday, one of my best friends actually got me like an ice slushy machine, like what they did in Hawaii, because I love ice. So this is what it is. It is like a pineapple ice mold. I think it's really cute. You know what? Like, who doesn't freaking need ice molds? I do. Next up, I have this. Oh, this was, I think, what came with like the ice mold. This is like a foot pedicure file. So it's like for your feet. Do you see it? That's kind of cute. You know, you could just scratch your bottom of your feet like that. I don't really get pedicures because I think it's really weird when they're touching my feet. I get all like skittish and like I start laughing, and then they always cut like my nail too much, and then I get ingrown toenails and they're so painful. And so the only person that touches my nails is my goddaughter's mom, and she's working a salon, and she just, you know, carefully cuts them and then paints them, and that's it. But I'm gonna give her this so that she can use it because she does like people's nails at home and their feet, so she can probably benefit from this pineapple and pedicure thing with a lip mask, which I actually got a similar lip gloss. This is a glow lip mask from my Ipsy. So these 3 things, they estimated at $55. Who the hell is paying $55 for this stuff? I don't know, but you should make friends with those people. 2 down and I'm already sweating, guys, because of the air conditioner. The next thing I got was a Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. This is $34, which is SPF of 40. I have been obsessed with sunscreen for the longest time now, just like my girl J-Lo. I love sunscreen. I usually use the one that I posted about my Hawaii video, and I actually found it in TJ Maxx for so much cheaper, and Ulta I paid $30 and TJ Maxx for $10. But this is a Supergoop Unseen sunscreen with SPF 40. It's really popular. A lot of like YouTubers and Instagrammers use it. They sell it on Sephora. I think it's like $30 or $40. So you know what, why not? You always need sunscreen. And I can keep it as a backup, and it is oil free, reef safe, non-irritating, vegan. That is what I love, you know. I love it. And it expires in 2023. That's great because I have so much sunscreen I have to go through, so I can keep this until 2023. Check your expiration date, guys. Check your expiration dates. Recovery from Sun Gel is $32.95. Okay, guys, this is $32.95. You can get aloe vera gel for like 15-20 bucks. So let's see if it's that good. I mean, this is 6 ounces for $32. Okay. Next thing that I got is this traveling jewelry set. Oh my god, this is a traveling jewelry set. It's like a case. So it's so funny because I was trying to do this whole like what I use to travel, because I travel so much. So I was gonna do like my best like travel equipment that I use video for you guys. So if you're interested in that, let me know, because I think it'd be super cool. Look how cute this is. It's a jewelry case. It's like compatible. It's not big, not too big, not too small. It has a zipper. You open it up. Oh, this is so cute. And you can put like your rings in here, and then your necklaces, and it has a little mirror. This is really nice. Does this come out? Oh, this comes out. So like if you want to put like a watch, so you can take this piece out and you can like put your watch in here, anything like that. This is really nice. This Millie jewelry set is $60. There's no way that this costs $60. That is so expensive. You can get jewelry sets on Amazon for like $20 or less. I'm gonna tag them down below. I went through this video pretty fast. I'm proud of myself. I didn't talk that much crap. I also got the Watermelon Burst Setting Spray by Ciate. Watermelon Setting Spray. They also sell this on Sephora. I think it's like $30 to $40, and you know what? Why don't we spray it? Oh, it's pretty, like, shoots out. Do you see that? There you go, better. All right. Oh, it's so watery. I took a shower. I don't like it. It smells like watermelon and it smells good, but I feel like my entire face is full of like droplets of water. Like, it's not like a fine spray. Do you see that? It's like all right, cool. I don't know that I'm gonna use that. Let me see if I can show you guys that. Do you see that? It's like so watery. It's a setting spray. It's gonna like mess up your makeup. Sorry, I don't want to curse my channel. It's gonna like mess up your makeup, guys. Okay. Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray that like completely wet my face. This is $22 and I would not buy it. I do not recommend it. It literally sprayed my face like crazy. I'm gonna insert the clip.
Okay.
All right, and then the last thing that I bought on my own, because it was like $10 and I think it's usually like $17 or $20. Sorry, I feel like I have like sweat on my face, but it's the stupid spray. And I'm so happy that I got it at my FabFitFun and that I didn't pay $30 for it on Sephora, because it was there. Anything that says watermelon on it, like, I want to buy it. I don't know why. I love watermelon, mango, but like anything that lip butters, lip creams, like lip masks, like it says watermelon, they get me with that. The freaking fruits, man, the freaking fruits. Anyway, so I paid like $10 for this. This is the AG Hair Care Recoil Curl Activator Curl. So this is a curl activator. You put it into your hair when it's wet, and then you can like it says air dryer, use a diffuser. So this is what it looks like. This is $37. I think they said it on Ulta for like $25 or $30. I honestly don't think it's $37, but I'll verify. The reason that I bought this is, I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is curly in this video. I haven't had my hair curly in a very long time because I've been using the Dyson, because you know what, I spend money on it and I'm gonna use it. But this is how my natural hair usually is. It's more curly, but it's gotten like a little bit more flatter because of the like iron and the blow dryer and the Dyson. And I know the Dyson doesn't mess up your hair, but when my hair is not curly, like, you know, it like messes up with the curls, so I have to recoil my hair, which is like I have to like get it back to like how it was. So I've been trying to use different products, which I wanted to make like a curly hair video, because I always used to have my hair curly before, and just like show you guys the best products. The problem with my hair like this is that I feel like I look like a lion, you know, like it's just puffy, frizzy, it gets super tangled. I feel like a puppy, like I feel like I'm just like a lion. But this is what my hair looks like. So that's why when I saw this, I was like, hey, I've never tried that company before, like maybe I should give it a try. $10, why not? That's what I spend on food every day. So I'm going to try this out, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. Yeah guys, so the stuff was pretty damn expensive, but you know what, at least I got stuff that I'm gonna use, that I wasn't gonna get. And the box itself, I think it's like $45, so that's not bad, and it's nice to get stuff delivered. Why not? I have a lot of boxes, so I'm happy to get one box out of here, guys. And I want to thank you guys so much for your support. So many people have been watching like my other videos, and I work hard on it, and it just means so much to me to be able to make these videos. I know that I'm not the most entertainer person, but I'm happy and thankful for my friends that watch it and the people that support me, and I just wanted to say thank you very much. And share with your friends, maybe I'll become popular one day, and then you guys could say that you knew me. Like when Kathleen Lights got popular, it was like, that's my girl, but yeah guys, thank you so much for taking the time, and sorry, we live in Queens, so and anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.